Here is what we are having for dinner tonight. So I put all of this on the grill with the exception of the mushrooms actually. So we have the chicken and I have a Montreal seasoning on the top of it. I just threw it in whole, cooked it until it was at temperature. You can see where I had the thermometer. Well, that was, I checked it in 2 places. Anyways, over here we've got potatoes, onion, and asparagus. And all I did with those is I cut them up. I actually kind of cheated just a little bit. I put the potatoes in the microwave for a few minutes before I cut them up, just so they wouldn't be completely done and the asparagus wouldn't be overcooked. Otherwise you get, you know, crunchy potatoes and mushy asparagus. So I did that. And then that way I was able to just kind of brown up, let's see here, just brown up the potatoes, you know, just a little bit. I put olive oil on them along with salt and Montreal seasoning. The Montreal seasoning I'm talking about is this one right here. So that's the one. I got it at Costco. And I just sprinkled a little bit on top because a little bit goes a long way, especially when it's like this. You can see I have a whole lot more on the chicken. And then I sauteed some mushrooms to go with the chicken because I really love sauteed mushrooms. Anyways, that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I figured I would share some of the things that I'm eating too if I ever remember to record them. And I remember this one. So this is one of my favorite like snacks. I have some fresh mozzarella and tomatoes cut up along with a basil olive oil, a balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. So I like to munch on this a whole bunch during the day just because it fills me up for just a little bit and it's delicious. And I don't know, who doesn't love some fresh mozzarella? Here is what we are having for dinner tonight. It's kind of like a build your own Alfredo. This is obviously not fettuccine. This is this pasta. We got it at Costco. What is this kind called? Is it gamelli? Is that the name or the, I don't even know. These are the noodles though. So we've got these noodles and then I cooked up a chicken breast and then in here we have the broccoli, cauliflower, carrot blend from Costco. It's the frozen blend. So I just steamed that really quick. And that way you can kind of take your Alfredo and then put whatever you want on top of it. I'll show you what everybody's looks like here in just a minute. So here is an adult plate. So this is what the adult plates look like. So we've got the I don't want to call it fettuccine Alfredo, but it's not fettuccine. The mystery noodle Alfredo, and chicken at the veggies, and then I like to kind of just mix it all together and eat it all together. The kids, being kids, like it all separated. So they've got their chicken part, they're not fettuccine, and then they've got their chicken, their veggies, and their, yeah, so that is what we are having for dinner tonight. I was posting on Instagram and then I realized, oh, I should record this too, but just show you guys what we ate. So my boyfriend is still at work. He is working really late all week this week. He's got a lot going on. Aww. So I know, it's a bummer. So he'll eat here in just a little bit. I've got everything sitting here waiting for him. Alfredo, good times. Was it good, Deacon? Did you like it? Yeah?
Look at these two are the Clean Plate Club.
Yep, Drake's almost clean plate. So I just took Caliber for a walk and I'm hungry, so I am going to make myself an egg salad sandwich. I'm using 2 of those eggs from Costco, the pre-hard-boiled ones. I've actually never used them before to make myself anything, so I'm really excited. Normally I'll just eat them plain, if anything, but yeah, so I'm going to make myself a sandwich really quick and I'll show it to you. Okay, this is my lunch, of course, with another piece of bread here. I'll probably post a picture maybe on Instagram first, but I'm using the Dave's Killer Bread. And then for dinner tonight, I am making a taco soup. So I've got that going in the crock pot right now. I just added more water, so it's very mild and relaxed. But yeah, there's lunch and dinner. Here is what we're having for dinner tonight. It's definitely not the prettiest dinner, but it is the tastiest. So it's taco soup. It's just, I threw in a whole bunch of beans, so like the 13 bean soup mix along with some of the, I can't believe it's not bouillon. It's whatever that like liquid bouillon is. I buy it from Costco. Anyways, different kinds of bell peppers, onion, garlic, tomato, cheese, sour cream, avocado, sriracha, chips. I'm trying to think of what else I put in there. It's really just whatever you have on hand. And then this is my favorite part. So you mix it all together. That's like a magic trick. And it becomes, gosh, it seems like I put a lot of cheese. Maybe I did. You mix it all together. Oh, and there's taco seasoning in it. I think, oops. Oh, how did I not spill? And yeah, so that's what it creates. And it is so delicious.
Yeah, it's so bomb.
Is it so bomb? Drake says it's so bomb. So anyways, that's what we're having for dinner tonight. This is actually really strange for me to have 2 sandwiches in a row because usually I'll go a whole month without eating a sandwich. But I have a turkey, cheese, mayo, mustard, pickle, tomato, and avocado sandwich. So I'm going to eat this really quick before I go to the kids' school. It just sounded really good. Maybe it's just because I bought that Dave's Killer Bread again. Maybe that's what's doing it to me. But anyhow, this is my lunch today. So it's really busy in here, no surprise. They gave us free soup. Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
We've never been here together. Get the lettuce wraps. They were out of the crab wontons. It only took an hour, but we finally got dinner. We got some everything. We got to change spices. This is again totally unlike me. I've had some weird lunches this week, but I was in Target today, and in my Target haul video, you'll see, or I'll talk all about it. Anyways, I saw chili, and I remembered that I had this Trader Joe's chili in my pantry that I needed to use. So I got some of my favorite turkey dogs, threw some cheese on it, microwaved it all. I have some buns, which I don't know if I'm actually going to need them or not. So anyhow, I'm going to have this for lunch today. I know it's not healthy, but oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Because I bought the hot dog buns, I am going to fill the hot dog bun as I eat it. And yep, really, truly enjoy this delicious indulgence of a lunch. Here, totally off topic, but I am making Caliber some food. So this is some turkey I bought at Target, and it was, oh gosh, I think it was buy one, get one half off ground beef. It expires, I think, tomorrow. So each of the packets had an additional $2 off coupon on them. So made it really cheap. So what I'll do is I'll cook this up for him, and I will add it to his food, or I will, add some rice to it if we have leftover rice or veggies or whatever, and then make him his, a meal or something that way. But he really likes this. I started doing it with Gage when he was sick. So, cooking up this for him. So I don't have a fancy dinner to show you tonight. We're just eating. We actually already ate them. I'll take you for your run as soon as we're done with breakfast, okay, handsome? He's like, Mom, why are you eating? All right, so this morning we're having biscuits and gravy. The gravy is one that I just make. It's butter, flour, milk, lots of salt and pepper. That's it, and it's amazing. And some fried eggs.